Understanding mixer settings, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to explore the meaning of mixer settings. This phrase is often used in various contexts, especially in music, cooking, and technology. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what mixer settings are and how they're used in different scenarios. Let's dive in. In the world of music production, mixer settings refer to the adjustments made on a sound mixer. A sound mixer is a device that combines, modifies, and manages audio signals. Here, mixer settings include volume levels, controlling the loudness of each audio channel, equalization, adjusting the balance of different frequency components in an audio signal, effects, adding audio effects like reverb or echo. Understanding these settings is crucial for producing high-quality sound in music. In the culinary world, mixer settings refer to the different speeds and modes of a kitchen mixer. Kitchen mixers are used to mix, beat, or whip food ingredients. The common settings here are stir or mix, for combining ingredients gently, beat, to mix ingredients more vigorously, whip, for adding air into mixtures, like whipping cream. Each setting has a specific purpose in cooking, affecting the texture and consistency of the dish. In technology, particularly in software and applications, mixer settings can refer to the configuration options for audio or video mixing tools. This might include input levels, adjusting the volume of different input sources, output settings, configuring the final output of the mixed audio or video, balancing the audio on different channels for a harmonious output. These settings are essential for professionals working with multimedia content. We hope this video has helped clarify what mixer settings mean in different contexts. Whether you're mixing a song, preparing a delicious meal, or working with multimedia software, understanding these settings is key to achieving the best results. Thank you for watching, and keep learning.